Hello everyone, in this video I will help you adjust the key on the synthesizer or keyboard that does not play for you. Let's assume the keyboard was playing, then everything stopped, you press, but there is no sound. Well, if you are not afraid of it, if you have disassembled something before, first of course disassemble your synthesizer, just disassemble it, disconnect the cables from. Take it out the keyboard, then pull out these keys so neatly. Yes, there are springs. First pull out this spring, which is attached to the key this way. Then take out the key itself, and here on the keyboard itself, meaning under the keyboard itself, there is this rubber gasket. With contacts, wipe the contact with this stick with alcohol under the key that does not play. Then put everything in place. Everything should work for you. That's it. Assemble everything in reverse order. Bye.